Welcome, today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your Android smartphone. So at the first, we have to enable Bluetooth on our smartphone and also the Wi-Fi. Right now we have to move for the Play Store and download headphones application from Sony. There's the application, the Sony Headphones Connect. Let's get it. Right now we have to open this application. Tap right here, choose your country. Click that we read above connects and agree, and click start. Read that stuff, click next, click agree and proceed. We have to also turn on location, so let's click OK, accept the permission to the location for this app. Click next here. Right now, click and hold the power button. When you hear the prompt voice notification, you can release that key. And right now, our headphones are detected, so we can simply tap here to register. We have to place them close to our headphones. I mean, close to our smartphone. And right now, just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, I think it takes too much, so let's try to go back and let's click here again. Something is going to happen. Let's see if we can connect right now. As you can see here, we got the connection failed. So let's try to make it another time. Let's click again. Don't give up. Okay, as you can see there, we get the notification that we can connect them. Click connect. Okay, let's hit the download button, even that we have that application on our smartphone. Let's accept pair. Okay, let's try another time. Click to setup. Okay. Tap another time. As you can see, finally we connected. So as you can see, in my case, it wasn't that easy. We have a couple of the fails, but we succeed at the end. So remember to don't give up and hit that again button. Another time, if something takes too much time, just go back and go forward, try it again. I'm going to proceed without restoring the settings. Here we can use the adaptive sound control. I'm going to set it up later. Click next. The same for 360 reality. And let's go to our dashboard. As you can see right now, we are connected and everything is fine. So as you can see, that's how we can connect your Sony headphones to Android smartphone. And I'm going to repeat, don't give up, just follow the same steps that I did in the video, and I'll be sure that everything will be fine. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.